凌晨2點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺凌晨2點，熱帶風暴尼格集結喺香港天文台之西南偏南約40公里，即係北緯22度、東經114度附近。預料向西北移動，時速約10公里，掠過香港南部水域，移向珠江口一帶。受到尼格及東北季候風嘅共同影響，本港東部及南部部分地區正吹烈風，同時與尼格相關嘅雨帶正為香港帶嚟大雨。預料8號烈風或暴風信號會喺凌晨5點前維持。市民早上出門前請留意最新天氣消息。預料尼格會逐漸減弱，當尼格減弱為一個熱帶低氣壓，或者本港嘅風力顯著緩和嘅時候，天文台會改發較低嘅熱帶氣旋警告信號。海面有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，長洲、大美督及中環碼頭分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時82、65及56公里，最高陣風分別為每小時118、80及78公里。有關最新天氣情況，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
2 o'clock in the early morning, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 northeast gale storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 2 a.m., Tropical Storm Nalgae was centered about 40 km south-southwest of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 22.0 degrees north, 114.0 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 10 km per hour, skirting the southern waters of Hong Kong, towards the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Under the combined effect of Nalgae and the northeast monsoon, gale force winds are affecting some places in the eastern and southern parts of the territory. Meanwhile, the rain bands associated with Nalgae are bringing heavy rain to Hong Kong. The number 8 gale storm signal will remain in force before 5 a.m. Members of the public should take note of the latest weather bulletin before leaving home in the morning. Nalgae will weaken further. When Nalgae weakens into a tropical depression or local winds subside significantly, the observatory will issue a lower tropical cyclone warning signal. Seas are very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Cheung Sho, Tai Mai Tuk, and Central Pier were 82, 65, and 56 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts 118, 80, and 78 kilometers per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報道完畢。